Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing you guys a quick video on how I mix my greases. First we're going to start with the Do Grow grease, and I just take these and I put them in a bowl and I mix them all together. Next we take the sulfur 8. This I really like. It does have that minthy kind of feel to it, but I like it. I'll have all of these items linked down below. I add that to the bowl, and then I just take this one as well. Has this minty kind of tingly feeling, and it's the hair fertilizer. This is virgin hair fertilizer. This was from Amazon. I'll have it in the description box. I really like this. As you can see, it broke from the pressure of squeezing it, so I'm using the bottom. If yours doesn't, of course use the top, but here I am just squeezing it out. I just take my Jamaican black castor oil. This one I picked up from my local beauty shop, and this one is mixed with coconut oil. I add a little bit of this to it. As you can see, I don't really measure it out. I just squeeze whatever I can. Here we have Wild Growth hair oil. This is an old school thing. I remember using this or having this in my hair when I was younger, so I continue to use it. Some of these products some may not like because of what's in it, but I continue to use it. Next, some peppermint oil. Peppermint is so good for your hair. It kind of just creates, or it promotes hair growth, so I love adding some drops to this. And yeah, I just take all of these items and I just mix it together, and I'll just let you watch. Like I said, I love using this when I braid my hair, when I twist my hair. If you have braids, twists, cornrows, box braids, anything like that, and you just want to like grease your scalp, which I find is really good as well, I use this because as you saw, it's just a mixture of greatness. Like in here, all you have is greatness. And yeah guys, I'm just gonna leave you to watch. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Also remember to subscribe. See you all in the next video.